अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम कैफ़ हालुकुम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम वरहमतुल्लाह बिखैर अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह कैफ हालुकुम अंती बला
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बिखैरिन आफिया। Okay, so everyone can tell me what we were doing last time.
we have finished Hawar Awwal and Hawar Sani of Attam and Sharab, and then we have revised, I think so, counting as well. This was our last you know lesson. That's what we have done.
Yes. Okay, thank you. Let me share the screen. I hope you guys are doing practice. This hiwar we have done, right?
Yes, we have done Sani, Hawwal and Sani we have done. We need to do Salis.
Okay. So I hope everything is clear here in this hiwar. Tatlubina was the verb, which means need. I need it. What do you need? Okay. So Faddilina, Tatlubina, and Turidina. These are similar, almost similar. They have the meanings. So we need. Yes. Everyone kindly mute yourself. Okay. Al-Hiwaru Salis, third dialogue. Unzur wastame wa'id. Az-zawj, assalamu alaikum. Az-zawja wa alaikumus salam. Az-zawj, ana ju'anun jiddan. Az-zawja, al-ghada'u al-ma'ida. Az-zawj, ma haza? Samakun wa lahmun wa dajajun wa aruzzun wa salatatun wa fakihatun. Haza kasirun jiddan. Az-zawja, la ta'kul, la ta'kul. Ijlis. Az-zawj, limaza ana ju'anun. الزوجة لدينا ضيوف. الزوج لدينا ضيوف. من؟ الزوجة والدي ووالدتي وأخي. الزوج أين الضيوف؟ الزوجة في غرفة الجلوس. So I hope there would be some idea after listening this Hiwar dialogue. Rabia, can you tell me what do you have any idea after listening this Hiwar?
Yes, it's a dialogue between husband and wife. Zawj and Zawja is husband and wife.
Okay.
And it's regarding, I think so, it's regarding food. And in this, what they are talking about is food. The Joanne, I don't know, I'm sorry, Joanne, exactly, I don't know what's the
Yeah,
meaning
let
of
me tell.
Joanne.
Yeah.
Mhm.
He
Yes,
came back.
Farhan.
Husband is came back after office.
Okay. Her husband is has come after from the office, and he's asking for the food. As we get home from office or school or somewhere, so we feel so much hunger. So it means ana
Hungry, yes.
jo'anun
He
jiddan.
feels so hungry.
I'm hungry,
Yes, yes.
so much hungry. All right. I'm so much hungry. Ana jo'anun jiddan. All right. Now, al-ghada'u al-ma'ida. Az-zawja means wife is saying al-ghada'u al-ma'ida. Al-ghada, all of us knows about the meaning of al-ghada. It means lunch. Ala is harf and al-ma'ida is table. Lunch is on the table. Az-zawj, ma haza. What is this? Samakun, fish, walahmun, and meat, wadajajun, and chicken, wa aruzzun, and rice, wasalatatun and salad, wafakihatun and fruits. Haza kasirun jiddan. This is so much. Azawja la takul, la takul. Ijlis. As we have discussed earlier, naam means yes and la means no. So when we use don't do this, don't do that, so we use la this, la that. Means la takul, don't eat, don't eat. Ijlis. Ijlis means sit down. Azawj, husband. Limaza, why? Ana ju'anun. I am so hungry. Azawja, ladaina duyufun. Do you remember, guys? We have discussed about ladayya, ladaina, ladaika. What does it mean? Who will tell me?
I have, or you have, or we have. It's something.
Okay, perfect. Ladaina means we have. Ladayya means I have. And ladaika, ladaiki means you have. Ladaiha, ladaihu, he has or she has. So here we can see ladaina duyufun means we have guests. Duyufun is plural of guest. What would be the singular? Daifun. Daifun is guest, one guest, and duyufun means multiple guests. Azawj, husband, ladaina duyufun, we have guests. Man, who? Azawja, the wife. Walidi wa walidati wa akhi means my mother, my father and my mother and my brother. Azawj, husband. Aina duyuf, where are the guests? Azawja, fi ghurfatil julus means in sitting room or in living room. Okay? I hope all of you got it. Now, let's discuss about some words. Okay? So, all of you guys knows about Joan. Joan means hungry.
Hungry. Hungry.
Exactly. So, how can I say that I want to eat something? I am so hungry. Who will tell me?
Ana uridu akul.
Uri.
Uridu akul. Sorry. Uridu akul. Ana Joan.
Naam. Yes, almost. I want to eat something. We can say in Arabic, Uridu akulu shayyat ta'am. Uridu akulu shayyat ta'am means something, some food. I want to eat some food. Okay? Li anna ana jo'anun. Li anna means because I am hungry. I want to eat some food because I am hungry. Li anna ana jo'anun, because I am hungry. All right. Al ghada'u alal ma'ida. Ma'ida means table. All right. Ala means on, harfijar. Al ghada'u alal ma'ida. Lunch is on the table. Ma haza. What does it mean? What is this? Okay. Samakun wa lahmun wa dajajun wa aruzun wa salatatun. We have discussed all of the meanings. If there would be any confusion, you can ask, guys. And here, la takul. Everyone knows la takul. What does it mean, la takul? Don't eat.
Don't eat.
Yes. What is it? Is it a negative, like negation or not?
Yes, it's a negative sentence. La
Exactly.
takul. Don't eat.
It's a negation. And when we make negative sentences, like we are going to say someone, especially second person, so commanding words would be used. So we are saying, I'm saying, la takul, don't eat. Is it a commanding word, amar, fele mudare, or fele mazi? What is it?
Mudare.
Fele amal.
Fele amar, which is commanding. Like I am commanding someone that don't eat. Ijlis means sit down. If I would put la before ijlis, so it would be the same thing. ये बन जाएगा, it will become la tajlis. La tajlis. Don't sit. Okay, if I am saying normally a commanding word like do it, do that, sit down, stand up. So we use in a different manner, but when we use la with it, like when I say don't do this, don't do that. So for that purpose, we only put la before fele mudare. Fele mudare के जो भी rules हैं, whatever we follow, exactly we put all of the rules. Let me explain to you like this. Wait a minute. Like for instance, you guys can see la takul. Okay. And here you can see ijlis. If I would say you sit down or you are sitting, so I would say tajlisu, yajlisu, ajlisu. Okay? But this is the commanding word ijlis. Ijlis means sit down. When I put la before ijlis, means don't sit. So la tajlis, I would say. This would be fele mudare. When we make sentences with don't or negative sentences, or when we use negations, so we only put la before fele mudare and that's it. It would become the negative sentence. I hope you are getting my point. I hope everyone understood, or else if there would be confusion, so kindly ask me. Everyone got clear about this? Yes?
Yes, it's clear, but just one question. Fele mudare is a present sentence.
Yes.
ठीक है ना? Fele mazi is a sentence in which we are talking about past.
Exactly.
ठीक है ना? And fele amar is a commanding sentence. Is it right?
Fele amar is commanding sentence. Perfect.
Fine. Okay. So this is what you are saying. If we will put la with present sentence, it will be negative. मतलब it will convert to a negative sentence.
Exactly. Like in English, I would say don't sit, don't eat, don't go. Like this, when we don't want to add don't, when we want to say go, just go, eat, and sit, stand. So we don't change the words. Words come the same in English, like don't sit. If we skip the don't, so we just use sit or sit down. If we want to say someone eat it, so we would say eat it. And if we want to say someone don't eat it, so we would say don't eat it. So eat is the same, like in English, commanding things are similar. Only we have to use don't. But in Arabic, if we want to say someone that don't eat it, don't go, don't do this, so we have to use as it is fele mudare and only add la before the fele mudare. So it will become negative commanding sentence. Okay?
Achha, if it will be as it was husband is standing in front of her, so she said la takulu. If would be some lady, if a female in front of her, so she would say la takulin.
Yes, perfect. La
Okay.
takulin. Perfect. Okay. So like this, if there would be commanding word, so you are saying ijlis. Okay, commanding words, beginning harf would be like Arab would be change. Like in Fele Mudare, like present tense, we use ajlis, I sit. Tajlis, you sit. Yajlis, he sit. Tajlis,
He said,
he sit. And
hmm.
tajlisina, you sit for female. All right. So here ijlis, not ajlis. So these Arab difference we need to see. This is a very tricky point, but it is very easy if we remember the Arab use. So ijlis means seat, like sit down or be seated. If I would say ijlis, tafaddali ijlis, like please sit down. Tafaddal means sit down. Sorry, tafaddal means please, kindly. Okay, so if I'm using commanding word, this its Arab would be little different from the beginning. But if I am using negative commanding word, so I am not going to change the Arab or something like that. I am only using the fi'l mudare and only add la before that. That's it. Okay.
Acha, if it, how there was again a male person, she said ijlis. If it would be female, then also it would be ijlis or ijlisin.
Ijlisi. Like Fele Mudare and Fele Mazi and Fele Amar Girdane, we
No, no.
will.
What I'm trying to say, it was husband and male, so she's command her to sit down, ijlis. If it would be some daughter, if it would be some other female person, and she wants to command that female person, so it will be same. It will remain ijlis or ijlisin. It will be. This is
No,
what I'm trying to
it will
ask.
not be Ijlisin. It will be
Hmm.
Ijlisi. Ijlisi.
Ijlisi. Okay.
Yes. Yeah, here we are seeing that Ijlis for male we are using sit down and Ijlisi. Okay, Ijlisi for female. And all of you knows about that when we command someone, it means we are talking to second person. Okay, we are not supposed to use commanding words with the third person because third person is absent. Third person is not present in front of me. So automatically the understanding would be that commanding word used for only for the second person who is in front of me and I'm talking to someone. Okay, so like this, we need to use the commanding words. I hope you got it. All right, limaza, why? Ana ja'anun, I am hungry. Ladaina. So ladaina already I explained to you guys. Duyuf is plural of daifun, means guest. Ladaina duyufun, man, who. So see, you can see how the way they are making sentences and they are speaking. So we can make different sentences with the help of using such vocabulary and pattern of the sentences, especially previously, whatever we have done in previous lessons. So try hard to make sentences connecting with your practical life. So you can easily learn and automatically the understanding would be developed to understand the particular vocabulary, how to use it, and how can we make sentences. Like Aina Duyuf, where are guests? We fi ghurfatil julus means in sitting room or living room. So like this, we can use the sentences. I hope everything is clear. Okay. Now, these are the exercises. I hope everyone can do this at home. Try to do at home, and whatever you don't understand, you can ask. Okay, can anyone tell me these words one by one? What is it?
Samak fish.
Stomach
Tamar
fish,
dates.
stomach dates. Ma means water. The judge mean hand.
Dajjal
Laham
means
mean hand.
chicken.
Chicken.
Yes, meat.
Yes.
Chicken meat. So we need to see chicken, not hen. Okay.
Okay. Laham mean meat.
All right.
Chai mean tea.
Hmm. Okay, anyone else?
Tea,
Salata is salad.
chai tea.
Halib.
Halib mean
Halib
milk.
means milk.
All right. Next.
Urdu rice, khubz, bread, kahwa, tea. Kahwa is kahwa. And fakiha means fruit.
Perfect.
Fakya means
Okay, who will tell me the plural of fakiha?
fakihatun.
This is a fruit, but
Fakihani.
it's a singular. We have already done in previous lessons. It's plural.
Fawakeh.
Fakihatan.
What are you saying?
Fawakeh.
Yes. Fawakiha.
Fawakiha.
Yes, it is the plural of fakiha. Fawakiha. All right. Okay, let's move on. Last time, everyone knows that we have done the counting from 1 till 30. So I hope you guys are practicing this counting. Tomorrow, inshallah, I will tell you more till 100. I will try my level best to tell you 100. Who will tell me the pattern of 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70? Yes. Have you guys done the practice of counting?
Rani.
Yes.
Nothing.
Arbaun, 40, Khamsoon, 50, Sittun, 60,
Mashroom.
Sab'un, 70,
Mashroom.
Samaniun,
Salasoon.
80, Tis'un, 90, and Mia is 100.
Yes,
100.
perfect. Yes, Ashar,
Yes.
you wanted to tell? Okay. All right. So this is the counting from 1 to 30. And I already told you everyone that till 20, some things are different and some things are similar. But after 20, when we start learning from 21, so when we use the pattern of from 21 to 29, it would be the same till 99. So we have to follow the same pattern. And Ishroon, Salasoon, 40 Arbaun, 50 Khamsoon, 60 Sittun, 70 Sab'un, 80 Samanun, 90 Sittun, and Tisun, and 100 Mia. Okay, so 21 is Wahid wa Ashrun, Asnan wa Ishrun, Salasa wa Ishrun, Arba wa Ishrun, Khamsa wa Ishrun, Sitta wa Ishrun, Sabah wa Ishrun, Samania wa Ishrun, Tisa wa Ishrun. So when we start 31, so we will say Wahid wa Salasun, Asnan wa Salasun. When we start 41, 42, so Wahid wa Arbaun, Asnan wa Arbaun. 50, Wahid wa Khamsun, Asnan wa Khamsun. 60, Wahid wa Sittun, Wahid wa Sittun, Isnan wa Sittun, Salasa wa Sittun. And 70, Wahid wa Sab'un, Isnan wa Sab'un, Salasa wa Sab'un. 80, Wahid wa Samanun, Isnan wa Samanun, Salasa wa Samanun. 90, Wahid wa Tis'un, Isnan wa Tis'un, Salasa wa Tis'un. So like this, you guys can write it and share it in group if you can. It would be very easy. You just have to follow the pattern from 21 to 29 till 99, like 31 to 39, 41 to 49, like this. And 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. This pattern would be same. So if you will follow the same pattern, you can easily learn and you can easily write. So if you can do it fast. Like you can share it in group today or tomorrow. Otherwise, tomorrow or day after tomorrow, we will discuss about complete counting till 100, inshallah. You guys also can do the exercises here. So after completion of 100 counting, we will discuss about first, second, third, fourth, as I told you earlier, positions. Like first is al-awwal, second is asani, third is third is salis, fourth is rabi, fifth is khamis, sixth is sadis. So this kind of positions we will discuss, and then I will tell you the time. How can we say the time in Arabic? These exercises you guys can easily do at home, and I am hoping, really hoping that you guys are doing practice and doing these exercises at home. All right. Okay, do this. Who will do this? Maza tatlubu min at-ta'am. What does it mean?
What do you need to eat?
Perfect. What do you need to eat? Okay, if I would ask, if I want to use tufaddilin, so how would it be? We have done it in previous dialogues.
Can you
Maza,
please ask again? I'm sorry.
if instead of tatlubu, if we will use tufaddilin, so how would we use it?
Maza tufaddilu min at-ta'am?
Perfect. Maza tafaddalu min at-ta'am. Okay, so it means what do you want from the food? Bada samaki min fadlik. Some fish, please. Okay, min fadlik means please or kindly. So these kind of exercises kindly do. Some vocabulary is little difficult, so you guys can learn it out loud at home, so you can easily know the meanings of the words. And also if you will practice and using at home in conversation, so that would easily learn by heart, and you can do the practice. Wait a minute. If I would say, what do you want from drink? What do you want from drink? Who will tell me?
Maza tatlub min ash-sharab?
Perfect. And I want kahwa. I want kahwa. How would we say?
Ana atlub or atlub kahwa?
I need a kahwa. I'm asking, I want kahwa.
Atlub kahwa or
Uridu.
uridu? Okay, fine.
Uridu kahwa
Uridu
or atlub
kahwa.
kahwa. But the thing which is very important, that we need to focus on the words. Like if there would be the use of word need. So need, for the use of need, we use atlub, tatlub, yatlub, tatlubina. And if there would be something I want, so it would be used for urid, uridu, turidu, turidina, like this. Okay, who will read it? Iqra al-fiqra summa ajib anil as'ila. You have to read it and then give the answers of questions.
If anyone is not there, then I can read it.
Yeah, Rabia, or else someone else who wants to give it a try.
Zainab saminatun jiddan takulu salasa wajbatin fil yawm. Zainab ताकुलु फिल फतूर समक व तशरबुल कहवा व ताकुलु फिल गदाइल लहम व तशरबु शै व ताकुलु फिल अशा दज्जाज व तशरबुल हलीब वज़न ज़ैनब मिया कैल
वज़नु ज़ैनब मिया कैल.
मिया कैल.
Okay. Can you translate it?
Samainatan, Zainab eats a lot.
Zainab
Samainatan,
is fat. Zainab is
okay.
fat a lot.
Zainab is fat a lot. Okay. Takulu, she eats 3 times. 3 times a day. Wajbatil
Thalasa wajbatin. Wajbat meals को कहते हैं. So 3
meals.
meals in a day.
3
She
meals
eats 3 meals in a day.
3 times in a day. Zainab takulu fil fatur samak. Zainab eats fil fatur in breakfast fish.
Yes.
And drinks kahwa. And she
drinks
eats in lunch. Yes, and she eats in lunch meat and eats tea.
drinks tea.
And she eats in dinner chicken, and she drinks milk. Weight of Zainab 100 kg.
Perfect. Okay, who will tell me the questions answers? Hal Zainab Nahifa?
لا زينب سمينة.
Perfect. Kam wajbatan takulu fil yawm?
تأكل 3 وجبات في اليوم.
Perfect. Wajba means one meal and wajbat means plural. So if we are talking about 3 meals, so wajbat, we use word wajbat. And if we are talking about one meal or we don't know the number of meals, so wajba. This is singular. Okay. Maza takulu wa tashrabu fil futur. What does she like? What does she drink in the breakfast? What does she eats? What does she eat and drink in the breakfast?
Takulu wa tashrabu kahwa fil fatur.
Perfect. Maza takulu wa tashrabu fil ghada.
Takulu wa tashrabu
تأكل في الغداء لحم وتشرب شاي.
نعم. ماذا تأكل وتشرب في العشاء؟
وتشرب الحليب في العشاء.
ماذا تأكل وتشرب في العشاء؟ تأكل في العشاء الدجاج وتشرب الحليب في العشاء. ما وزن زينب؟
وزن زينب 100 كيل.
Okay. If I would ask, what is your weight? How would we say in
ماذا
Arabic?
ماذا وزن أنت؟
La. Who will tell me? Who else can give it a try? As I told you guys that we need to learn the detached and attached pronouns. And this is Ma Waznu Zainab. Here Zainab we are talking about. But if I talk about my weight, so how would I ask? My weight is, what is my weight? Ma wazni. Ma wazni. Chotiya use for my. Ma wazni. Ma waznu ki. Anti. Or ma waznu ki. What is your weight? Ma waznu ka. What is your weight for male? Ma waznu hu or ma waznu ha. Here for Zainab we are talking about. So It's okay if we will use ma waznuha Zainab. What is the weight of Zainab? I hope you guys understood. Okay. So these kind of things. And maza, let me clear to you. I think previously I already told you ma for what we use with ism. Wazan is ism. So we are not supposed to use maza. We only put the question ma. And maza use only for verbs, before the verbs. Like maza turidu, maza tazhabu. Sorry, what do you like? Maza tuhibbina, maza tuhibbu. This kind of words, like with verb, we use maza.